Okay, we're
Do you
going.
want this? Let's see. She's like, yep. Here. You want the Dorito or Cheese Curl? Which one? Cheese Curl. And you want another one? All right, come here. Gonna have a Dorito, or do you want Cheese Curl? Cheese Curls. I have babies. Do you want Play Baby or Sleepy Baby? Oh, you got a key with those babies. Thank you, she says. Yeah, Play Baby and the Sleepy Baby. Let's see. Oh, I have toys. You want a toy? You want a baby? Or monkeys? Baby! And another baby. Good choice. Good choice. Love the baby. Aww. Give her kisses. That's nice.